Are you recording? Okay guys, we're gonna finish what we started in the sweet potato bed. I've removed the maize and now I'm going to dig in as many vines as possible so that they can hopefully grow more sweet potatoes. Come and see. Off the soil a bit. Push the vine in there. As you can see, I don't have the best soil, but somehow I managed to grow in it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that around the whole bed and see what happens. So I've got some amaranth growing and I think it's ready to harvest. And I have another one and have another one back there. Yeah, you see, you kind of know it's ready because I've got some seeds and husks there. There's a seed and some husks, so it's definitely ready to harvest. And what is that, guys? Is that a spider's nest? Okay, it's not. I think it's just cotton. I hope. The thing about amaranth, it's always full of insects. Now I need to tie up these tomatoes, these cherry tomatoes. They've completely fallen. So I'm going to tie those up. And I also have a giant fennel growing over here. It's flowering, which means I'm going to get a lot of fennel seeds, which are great for your stomach. So I'm going to tie that up too. And what I'm going to use is stocking. It's great to tie up your veggies with stockings because it doesn't like scratch into the actual vegetable. So here is some previous damage I caused. Yes, some previous damage I caused my tomato trying to tie it up with rope. So basically, shortcuts don't work. Let's do it right this time. So this doesn't harm the plant. It's a nice soft stretchy material. All nice and tied up. So I'm gonna tie with this cloth this time around because this fennel is way bigger than I thought it was. Let me show you over here. Oh, we've already got some seeds. These seeds taste like licorice and they're really great for digestion issues if you've got digestion issues like me. Part of garden maintenance is removing sick plants because that will call on more bugs. I hope this one is not stung. Please. Oh man. Finally, what I want to do is pest control, and I'm going to be spraying my beans, tomatoes and everything with a garlic spray. I do have like a ladybug over here. Oh, but girlfriend is not doing her job because look at these aphids. So anyway, I'll be careful not to spray it directly as well. So this is the garlic spray that I use. I love this brand, and as you can see, it's organic and it's great for aphids, ants, bollworms, red spider mites, and a whole lot more. And it lasts. I've had this for I think about a year. As you can see, it makes up to 100 liters, and I don't even use it that often. So I've mixed the garlic spray concentrate with some water, and I like to spray it directly on the aphids, and that's why I guess mine lasts a bit longer, because I spray directly and I don't use it if I don't see any insects. This is just a few minutes later, and as you can see, most of them, or all of them, they just look dead. And now I can just spray them off with water. So this is my mini composting station, and that's fresh compost that still needs to be turned in. Here I've got some older compost that I'm going to dig into my garden now and plant some more corn. Let's do this. Look at the soil. Just look, come closer. Look, it's already got worms. Okay. So I've dug up as much as I could. As you can see, my compost is directly on the ground, which I think makes it easier for the worms to come into the compost, which is why I have a lot of worms in my garden. Now you can see my compost is not completely ready, but I'm just going to dig it into the garden anyways. Also, my compost has a lot of weeds in it because I just throw grass in here, but I don't mind because I weed my garden quite often. But as you can see, the soil is quite rich, it's quite beautiful. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see. Happy gardening!